Well, if only you could smell this beauty. Got some nice little chicken goujons. Some of our secret recipe seasonings that we put in there. I can tell you one ingredient in there: bee pollen. There is bee pollen in our secret seasoning. And then to top it off, I've thrown a bit of Courageous Cock hot sauce in there just to sticky it up a bit. Smells divine, will taste divine. And bloody hot, of course. Go get your cock sauce and give it a go, guys. Chuck that with some nice brown rice, bit of salad. Boom, lunch is sorted.